OneNote login, Microsoft OneNote online. So if you want to log into Microsoft OneNote, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Now, assuming you have the OneNote application installed by itself on your Windows computer, you will have them installed as long as you're using Windows. So open the OneNote app. Now, by default, what happens over here is that if you are logged into your Microsoft account on your computer, you will be automatically logged in inside the OneNote app. You can see your profile icon from the top right hand side, and here you can see my two Microsoft accounts that I have added in this case. Similarly, if even if you're not logged in, you'll find the sign in button right here where you can just click on add account or sign in account, and you can actually instead log into some of the other Microsoft Outlook account that you might have. So you want to simply go ahead and then make sure to enter those Microsoft Outlook details right here. And once you've done that, you can just hit the next option and make sure to enter your password. And once you enter your password, you'll be logged into your Microsoft Outlook account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.